are living in a world whereby epidemics are becoming more frequent, and so preparing to respond is crucial.
This course is geared towards genomics and data science, but with a train-the-trainer flavor, so that the participants not only understand some basic concepts on working with genomic data, but also can acquire skills in teaching others and can then go on to build their own training programs. This course is aimed at healthcare, public health, and research professionals that have an interest in acquiring and building up their training skills.
We are trying to create a platform that allows the exponential growth of people that can share their skills.
So far, the highlight of the course has been having us consider how to structure the course and prepare it for adult learners.
I've learned how to develop and design training concepts, learning outcomes, how to improve on what I used to do before and be a better trainer.
Since this is the first course, we'll invite the participants in this course to be mentors in the second and the third iteration of the T3Connect project.
So next steps for us from this program are to provide training to colleagues who work in health protection, who work directly with patients who unfortunately have been diagnosed with an infectious disease, to make sure that they are aware of the kind of intricacies of genomics and how we can use that to speed up our outbreak investigations and provide improved public health outcomes.
With the recent pandemic that has happened, has really identified how pathogen genomics is being used, and actually we haven't had a lot of focus on providing the education and training for these healthcare professionals. And we're needing to scale up this education and training quite quickly, so that requires more people to be able to educate and train. So that's why a course like this is so important, because it provides that fundamental knowledge and understanding about how to deliver training so that they can then go and educate their peers and their colleagues and their future students.
I've loved networking with the public health side of things and the biometricians and laboratory people. That's been really useful, actually.
Every day I keep learning something here, and that's exciting for me.